Hi everyone, my name is Miss Carrie and I am the preschool teacher here at Pleasantville. I wanted to introduce myself so when you get to the school you know who I am. I'm so excited for all the preschoolers to come to school. So I want to introduce you to the teachers. There's me, Miss Carrie, and my two helpers this year are Miss Jackie and Miss Missy. Some fun facts about me. I was born here in Ohio and grew up in Logan. After college, I moved to North Carolina, and I was a teacher there. I taught first grade and third grade. After I lived in North Carolina, I moved to Colorado, and I taught first grade for 7 years with Academy District 20. But my kids and I were really missing our families, so we decided to move back to Ohio, and this is my second year at Learning Steps Preschool. I have two kids of my own. They're in fourth grade and sixth grade this year. And over the summer, something exciting we did is we got a puppy. She's a golden doodle named Charlie, and she's just a sweet little fluff ball. Some facts about my education. I graduated from Ohio University in Athens with a bachelor's in early childhood education. While I was working in North Carolina, I also got my master's degree in reading instruction. And this is my 12th year of teaching and my second year here at Pleasantville. Here's some pictures of our classroom. It's not quite ready yet, and everything's a little bit more spaced apart than normal, but it's still going to be a really fun place to play and learn, and I'm so excited for you to see it in person. I can't wait to meet you guys. Bye.